start.
Hello, I'm Silver. We will learn about inner planets of the solar system. You know, the planets revolve around the Sun. Its orbiting period varies one after the other. When the radius is small, its orbiting takes few months. But if we increase the radius of the orbit, its orbiting period is much longer. The velocity of the planet remains the same, but the orbiting time varies. For about inner planets in the solar system, we discuss about Mercury, Venus, Earth, Moon, and Mars. Let's start with Mercury, the first planet. It is the smallest and innermost planet in the solar system. Its orbit around the Sun takes 88 days, the shortest of all the planets in the solar system. The symbol is denoted as winged helmet and caduceus. Mercury's surface is similar in appearance to that of the Moon, showing extensive mare-like plains and heavy cratering, indicating that it has been geologically inactive for billions of years. The gravity of Mercury is about 3.7 meters per second squared. During the day, temperatures on Mercury's surface can reach 800 degrees Fahrenheit as it is closer to the Sun. Because the planet has no atmosphere to retain that heat, nighttime temperatures on the surface can drop to -290 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, life cannot be survived in that planet. Next, the second planet, Venus. As the second brightest natural object in the night sky after the Moon, Venus can cast shadows and can be, on rare occasion, visible to the naked eye in broad daylight. Its astrological symbol denotes as a hand mirror or necklace. Its orbiting period takes about 225 days, and its gravity is about 8.87 meters per second squared. Much of the Venusian surface appears to have been shaped by volcanic activity. Venus has several times as many volcanoes as Earth, and it has 167 large volcanoes that are over 100 kilometers across. Although Venus is an exception because its dense atmosphere acts as a greenhouse and heats the surface to above the melting point of lead, about 880 degrees Fahrenheit. Thus, life cannot be survived in that planet. Next, our third planet, Earth from the Sun. According to radiometric dating estimation and other evidence, Earth formed over 4.5 billion years ago. Earth's gravity interacts with other objects in space, especially the Sun and the Moon, which is Earth's only natural satellite. Its astrological symbol is the solar symbol. Earth orbits around the Sun in about 365.25 days. Its gravitation of Earth is about 9.8 meters per second squared. It consists of water and lands, and ice in the polar regions. Temperatures range from -25 degrees Celsius to 45 degrees Celsius. At mid to high latitudes, land surface temperatures can vary throughout the year, but equatorial regions tend to remain consistently warm, and Antarctica and Greenland remain consistently cold. Earth consists of atmospheric layers from lowermost to highest as discussed much before. Below the atmospheric layers as discussed earlier, the core temperature varies from least for about Earth's crust, to highest for about inner core. Next, the one which revolves around the Earth called the Moon planet. The Moon is an astronomical body orbiting Earth and is the planet's only natural satellite, orbits up to 27 days. It is the fifth largest satellite in the solar system, and by far the largest among planetary satellites relative to the size of the planet that it orbits. Its gravitation is about 1.67 meters per second squared. The astronomical symbol represents as a crescent. Daytime temperatures near the lunar equator reach a boiling 250 degrees Fahrenheit, while nighttime temperatures get to a chilly -208 degrees Fahrenheit. The large majority of these features are impact craters, which formed millions of years back. The crater nomenclature is governed by the International Astronomical Union, and this listing only includes features that are officially recognized by that scientific society. Moon can have formations of waxing and waning according to the Sun's light. And finally, Mars, the fourth planet of the solar system. Mars carries the name of the Roman god of war and is often referred to as the Red Planet. It therefore has an orbiting time of 687 days, which is almost twice as longer than orbiting of Earth. Its astrological symbol is Mars's shield and spear. Its gravitation is about 3.71 meters per second squared. The temperature on Mars may reach a high of about 70 degrees Fahrenheit at noon, at the equator in the summer, or a low of about -225 degrees Fahrenheit at the poles. It consists of minerals containing silicon and oxygen, metals, and other elements that typically make up rock. The surface of Mars is primarily composed of tholeiitic basalt, although parts are more silica-rich than typical basalt and may be similar to andesitic rocks on Earth or silica glass. During the solar system's formation, Mars was created as the result of a stochastic process of runaway accretion of material from the protoplanetary disk that orbited the Sunday. Elements with comparatively low boiling points, such as chlorine, phosphorus, and sulfur, are much more common on Mars than Earth. So, that's enough for this part from now. Call the inner planets of the solar system. You'll learn about the other planets later. Like, comment, and subscribe now.